Hey guys, finally, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series demo unit are leaked. In the leaked image, you can see the all three model of the Galaxy S24 series. So first talk about the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Both phone come with flat design with a boxy design, and the Ultra variant also come with boxy design, slightly curved edges. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could be come with 6.8-inch AMOLED display with QHD Plus resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus and also Dolby Vision supported. The Galaxy S24 Plus could be have a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED display and the regular S20 could be have a 6.1-inch 120Hz AMOLED display and the all three model come with 2500 nits peak brightness. All three model could be come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and also using Exynos 2400 SoC in some other market like South Korea and Asia market. All three model come with Android 14 based on One UI 6.0 software. In the camera department, the Ultra variant come with new ISOCELL 200 megapixel camera and the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus come with new 50 megapixel camera. S24 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery and is support 25-watt fast charging. The rumor is the Galaxy S24 series will be launched in 17 January 2024. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.